pretty cool.
Look at the size of this book. Should keep me busy for a week, yeah? Bag 5 is finished. Jump to 6. To bag 7. And with that, the Lego saga continues. Lots more bags to go. And finish bag 9 with no spare parts. We got a bay going. And moving on to the engines, the bay, some spare parts, and we moved on to bag 11. And with that, we have a engine bay. Bag 13 would be a fast one, but it's very meticulous. With a couple leftovers, but yeah, there we go. 14, 15, 16, 17, and then there's still like 1, 2, 3, 4. Third piece that's missing. This is also not here. And there was another piece missing out of the kit so far. So for the yellow piece, luckily I have some. Maybe not a yellow, but I definitely have a 6. And so I'm technically deviating from manufacturer recommendation. Right here. There's no spot for it. Design flaw? Question mark? Come on. Could have been done better. It goes up here. Take a look. These all loose so far. Double. We start on bag 17. It's this much. Almost done. Oh. The stand was in bag 4. Other than that, finished. Loaves. These loaves. I'm gonna do it too. Okay. Nope, try it. And I got those.